Okay, I wanted to show in this video my setup I got for my batteries here for my two charging controllers that I have. I got this one here, which is my solar charger. I don't know, it's just got lights or on it or whatever to tell you if it's full or not. And I just want to point out that this wind turbine controller here is it's a 24 volt controller. So what I had to do, or what I needed to do, was figure out a way to set up my battery string so I could have 24 volts for the wind turbine, 12 volts available for the power inverter, and still be able to charge the batteries with my solar panel, which is also 12 volts. The one thing I was worried about was the inverter, because the voltage cannot go over 15 volts in the inverter, or else the inverter will get damaged. So I want to point out what I did here. Let's see, I'll kill this fan for a second. What I did is I have all these batteries here. These are two 6 volts connected as a 12, and these are all 12s. So these are all hooked up as a 12 volt string. And I have a spare battery down here that is separate from that string. And what I have is I have the negative lead from the wind turbine controller going to the negative of the spare battery, and I connected the positive to the negative part of this. This is the first battery, the number 1 battery in my string. It goes here, and then, well, anyway, I have the positive connected to this negative lead, and which makes these two batteries 12 volts. Well, actually, it's all these batteries are acting as 12, and this battery is acting as 12. So together, they're kind of set up as a 24 volt system for the wind turbine. See, this is the positive end for the wind turbine. This is the negative end, and I got the positive end of this battery going to there. And to my surprise, I was able to have the batteries hooked together and hooked to the inverter and have it stable. There's no surge of current going anywhere because of unbalance in voltage or anything like that, which is, I think it's great. I can't believe it. Here, I'll show you. See, here's the positive, and the negative one right here. 23. So the wind turbine's getting 23 volts right now, and I won't move the positive, and I'll go and touch the negative of the same battery, and it's at 13. So I'm able to have this battery stay at 13, connect this one with this battery, and create a 24, and not affect my 12 volt string or my power inverter. So I just thought I'd share that. I'm not sure how significant this is. I was confused because I thought I was going to have 2 batteries off to the side as a 24 and have all this 12 volt set up separate, and I wouldn't have one battery bank. I would have to have 2 separate battery banks, one for the wind turbine and one for the solar panel and the inverter. But I don't know, somehow I was able to pull this off where I can have all the batteries together being charged by the wind turbine. So this battery is being charged and this battery is being charged by the wind turbine. So all these batteries are being charged by the wind turbine, I guess, because it's charging this battery and this one's connected to those. So it's amazing because I'm able to charge this 12 volt string with an extra battery here connected to it to make its 24 needed volts. I've had experience where these leads would start melting due to the unbalance in voltage. Like, I tried to connect one of these 6 volts to the 12 volt without without two 6 volts tied together, and all of a sudden all the current started rushing into the 6 volt, and it melted the, I think it was the positive lead on the 6 volt battery, because all the current from the 12 volts were rushing into the 6 volt battery trying to unbalance the voltage, and I fried the battery. And somehow, with this battery just connected to that negative and the positive and negative leads connected to the two, I don't know, somehow I'm able to connect these two batteries together as 24 and have it not affect the other string, not affect any of the 12 volt string. I'm not sure why it's stable, but it's I'm glad it is, though, because now I'm able to have one battery bank and charge it with the wind turbine and with the solar panel at the same time. Okay, that's good enough for this video. Thanks for watching.